ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಲೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ನಾವು ವೇಟ್
Sir?
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಸರ್ ನಾವು.
ಓಕೆ
ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
तो होता रहता है expeditious.
Number 18.
Lord, I appear for the second respondent. The Lord,
You reached up to. You reached up to. It's the Supreme Court.
my Lord, could I make a request? My Lord, this matter could be had on Tuesday, my Lord, because the state has brought about a new act, the Karnataka Religious Structure Amendment Act, which is challenged, my Lord.
Karnataka.
Karnataka Religious Structure Amendment Act 2021.
Religious culture.
Yes, my Lord, so this petition along with that, my Lord, we could club and then
Yes.
Tuesday, my Lord.
Advocates for both the sides requested to take up the writ petition on
Tuesday, 25th.
26th.
My Lord, the other matter is posted on 25th. If my Lord could grant us some
Like
time,
25th.
oblige me.
Cell number 19.
I appear for the petition.
Madhusudan Adigabi.
I had to carry out the amendment. I apologize, I could not carry out. I'll carry it in the course of the day. I had to carry out the amendment. I apologize, I could not carry out the amendment. I'll carry out in the course of the day, madam. And party has been included, that amendment I had to carry out.
Notice.
My Lord, I have taken notice, my Lord. The Karnataka State Board of Work has been impleted by my Lord on the last date of hearing. For that amendment is to be carried out.
As response 1 to 5 is concerned, a statement of objections, a reply affidavit has been filed.
Oh, this is, which is this
Number 19.
Juma Masjid in Sri Rangapatnam, where they say
running of this school in the protected
Madrasa.
area. Which protected monument?
My lord?
Some temple is there.
No,
Masjid.
I don't say it's a temple, it's Juma Masjid, but it's a centrally protected monument under the ASI Act.
In that this madrasa is being run.
And the schools could not be run, that's all, my lord. I'm not on the issue of that it's a temple or a masjid, I'm not on that issue. Only a school should not be run because it goes against the provisions of the ASI Act.
I appear for ASI minutes. I filed the counter affidavit on 6th February 24 itself.
Already filed.
Filed minutes. That
Then we'll take up on 26th.
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 Public.
All are appearing?
yes, my Lord. Oblige me.
CL matters, cell number 20. Mr. Kishan GS.
My lord, I beg to appear for the petitioners in this matter, my lord. This petition has been filed by Banshankari Resident Welfare Association. My lord, in Tumkur, there is 62,000 square feet of land, which roughly comes to 1.5 acres of land, my lord. This has been earmarked as a public park by the Tumkur City Municipal Corporation, my lord. And this space has been illegally occupied by a few people and who are rearing pigs there in my lord. And the residents and the welfare association from the year 2008, that is more than from last 15 years, my lord, they have given several representations to all the authorities. It has not been acted at all, my lord. May I request your lordship to kindly see annexure A, my lord, at page number 32. Am I audible, my lord? My profound apologies, my lord. I could not be present before the court. Am I audible, my lord? Page number 32, my lord. And my lord, English translation is at page number 48. Page number 48. Relevant lines are at page number 51, my lord. Can I proceed, my lord? Can I proceed with my submissions?
So park is used for what? Rearing pigs.
This has been converted for residential purpose. Your lordship kindly see at page number 57 is the approved layout plan, my lord. Page number 57. If I'm audible, my lord, page number 57 is the layout plan. And my lord, at page number 58, I have typed the relevant lines, my lord, at page number 58. 58, if your lordship see page number 58, this shows, my lord, residential extent is so-and-so. Park is 61,789 square feet, my lord. This has been earmarked as a public park by the authority which has converted this land from agricultural purpose to residential purpose, my lord. Now, my lord,
To address.
petitioner number 1 is the registered society. Registered society and its residents, my lord, have given representations from commencing from the year 2008, my lord.
So you addressed any letter to the authorities?
Yes, my lord. Your lordship may kindly see E to annexure R, annexure E14, annexure E24, my lord.
E24.
It commences from page number 62, my lord. Representations to Tumkur Urban Development Authority, representations to Tumkur City Municipal Corporation, representations to
Which page?
Your lordship may kindly see page number 62, my lord. It commences from, lord, page number 62. It is in Kannada. Annexure E, my lord.
Page.
Page number 62, my lord.
52.
62, my lord. 60.
My lord,
It is
page
in Kannada.
154 is annexure E24.
Yes, my lord. I have given representation to Deputy Commissioner also. Your lordship may kindly turn to page number 154, my lord.
So snakes are there.
Representation to Deputy Commissioner.
Horns are there. What is this? Big joggers have put up their association. Sporting, they are sporting. Horn bush plants. Be removed. So you go before which authority? City council.
Lord, from last 15 years, I have been given representations, my lord. And those who come up asking them to vacate and all, they have been threatened, intimidated and all, my lord. Residents are made to stay in the most unhygienic conditions, my lord. Very pungent smell emanating from that area. I have produced the photographs at Annexure F, my lord. Annexure F, your lordship may kindly see at page number 156 to 160, my lord, for a moment.
Notice written, your lord.
My lord, I take notice for respondents 1 and 2.
23rd of July. Learned
Pardon, my lord?
Advocate Miss Nilofer Akbar accepts notice on behalf of 1 and
2.
2.
So number 21.
Correct, my lord.
Here for the petitioner in this case, madam. Filed a petition for seeking direction to respond.
Smiley hard learned advocate so and so for the petitioner. Video conference.
Filed a petition for seeking direction to response, madam, for surveying the graveyard land, madam. Already I given a representative to the respond number 1 and 2, my lord. But they are not acting in the said representation, my lord. This is a public graveyard land, my lord. I have submitted the revenue records also, my lord.
So you go before them,
Yes.
go before them.
Plus point number 2 has granted 1 acre 20
Look
guntas.
at Mr. So and so for the petitioner. Petitioners who are having numbers. Claiming that the petitioners are public in paragraph, public spirited persons. When the present petition is filed, alleging that there is a graveyard, there is a graveyard land bearing survey number 5, measuring 1 acre 20 guntas, situated at Doni Madugu,
Yes, my lord.
Doni Madugu village, Amasara Mudra Hobli, Bangarpet Taluka, Kolar district. It is stated that said land which is used for graveyard is encroached upon by the neighboring persons, and that the land sharks, etc., have committed illegal encroachment over the land, which leaves no land for burial. It's the grievance that the encroachment done since long is not being removed. Petitioners have given representation along with the villagers to the competent authority on 27/3/23. That will be paragraph. Since the representation is made, the authorities are required to consider, decide, and act upon. Full stop. The authorities would be enjoined to take necessary steps if the allegations made by the petitioner in the representation are found to be correct about the encroachment on the public graveyard lawn are correct. So in the circumstances, this petition is disposed of by delegating the petitioner to the competent authority respondents. Will consider the pending representation of petitioner about the encroachment on the graveyard, on the public graveyard land, and if the encroachment is found, necessary measures in accordance with law shall be taken. Full stop. Without expressing any opinion on the merits, this petition is disposed.
One submission, my lord. Please to fix the time limits, my lord. Already I have given reference of 1 year before.
Expedient. Taking necessary decision within period of
The
2 months.
accident of the police, my lord. Oblige.
Or 22, so Satish K.
I am for the petitioner in this case, my lord. In this case, my lord, challenge the irregularities on the regularization of the service of the respondent number 7253, my lord.
Your
In this
voice
case,
is
my
not
lord.
clear. Voice is not clear. 24th July.
Lord,
24th July. Number 23,
Happy for the petitioners in the matter, because seeking directions to take immediate steps to remove the manual debris on the concrete road, which for the ingress and egress of the villages, my lords. And the second prayer is to conduct a immediate step, conduct a survey of lake where the tank bed, to remove the encroachment of the tank bed of the particular village, my lords. That's my 2 prayers. The annexed RF is the photographs, my lords, which demonstrate that villagers are using the concrete road.
Pass the same order, decide requiring them to decide their representatives within 2 months.
Great.
Last year. Give me in the chamber. Disposed of.
Great.
Yes. You are Sudhindra.
Yes.
All.
Number 24, Mr. Sanket Pisari.
Appearing for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, senior is currently unavailable. He's not in town, my lord. Kindly please post the matter to another date, my lord.
The request of, what is your name? Saket.
Saket Bisani, I'm his junior, Suprita.
Learned so and so appears through video conferencing and request for time. Stand over to 19th July.
Much obliged, my lord.
Both? Only one?
Number 20.
Only one, my lord.
Only.
Number 25, the Chakki Siddhavir. 25.
My lord,
Done.
I beg to appear for the petitioner in this case, my lord.
Yeah.
Lord, being aggrieved by the inaction by the respondents, I approach this honorable court, my lords, to consider my representation. The issue involved in this case, my lord, is the repair and maintenance work of the lake, which comes under the irrigation, minor irrigation and development, groundwater development department. That is respond number 1 to 4, my lords. My lords, earlier in 2015, I made representation, subsequent to which this honorable court was pleased to consider my representation, my lords.
What is the
It ordered-
subject matter?
My lords, repair and maintenance work of a lake, which is situated in Mudhol village, Taluka, Kamal Nagar and district Bidar, my lord. And the condition of the said lake is very deteriorating, necessitating immediate attention by the government officials, my lord. My lord, in 2015,
Did you approach the authorities?
yes, my lord, my representation is at page number. Earlier in 2015 itself, I made representation, but no
My
action
lord,
has been
page
taken.
53. Page 53, my lord.
Page 53.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Page 53 and page 61. That is, my lord, given personally to the minister.
Page 53,
Who
I
is
made a
it?
presentation.
My lord,
Notice.
very well.
Please.
Notice returnable on 15th of July. Learned government, additional government advocate, Ms. Nilo Akbar shall take instructions and file reply
Obliged.
in respect of the allegation made in the public interest petition. It is in this public interest petition that the lake in question is not properly maintained. Fifteenth is what? 15 July.
Obliged.
I'm grateful.
Twenty-six adjourned. Number 27, Ceritapil matters. Vijay Somaya ji.
The petition, which is the third respondent, illegally formed the road on the land vested in the Zilla Panchayat. My lord, even the government has also filed a statement saying that they are also not given permission. We have also stated objection that we are not filed. Then, my lord, why is the writ petition for permanent injunction against the Zilla Panchayat and government? The fact stated in the order itself is wrong.
Jilla Panchayat is
My lord.
how Jilla Panchayat in picture.
My lord, this land vested with the Zilla Panchayat by virtue of the notification issued by the government. And that is what said in 1487.
Now road is laid. They are using the road.
Huh?
Road is laid. They are using the road.
On the land of the illegally formed road. My lord, no permission is given by the government. Government has also not given the permission. Zilla Panchayat has also not given the permission.
Sorry.
My lord, may I submit? My lord, the page
road,
9.
There is an agreement between that jungle lodge and this private.
No agreement.
Yes,
Government
yes.
is not entering. Some official.
Road is laid. Everybody is using. Lana Single says
No,
everybody
not that.
also use the road.
May I submit, my lord? The page number 9. Page number 9. As a result, the petitioner sought permission from Zilla Panchayat of Mandya to use the portion of their land to lay a new road leading to their property. Permission was granted, so and so. It is not done. It is a false statement. In the writ petition, they say it is not necessary. Here he makes a submission saying that they obtained permission of Zilla Panchayat and to make use of the land and lay the new road on so property.
What is wrong?
No, that is the property of Zilla Panchayat. They did not obtain any permission.
File review of the review petition.
No.
There is nothing like the property of the.
On the land of the even Annexure H, government has not given the permission. They have filed a statement of objections. We have filed a statement. We have not given the permission. Annexure H may kindly look into it. It is not the permission. That is some official collusion is some official. My lord, Annexure H is issued. Page number 83.
Sorry,
it will be granted. My lord, may I submit, my lord?
Dismissed.
Page number 83 may kindly look
We
into
have seen it. Page number 18.
Page number 84 may kindly look into. 84. Permission is granted. This is by some officials, but not the government. Last time, permission will be granted for construction road after obtaining consent after obtaining above terms and conditions. They did not obtain permissions. It is not permission not granted.
Lana Single says as on date the road is there and everybody is using.
No, it is not that.
That is what we have to believe.
That is the road. My lord, that is the property of the Zilla Panchayat.
Dismissed.
That is the property of Zilla Panchayat.
No,
on that, they illegally formed road. The government has not given any permission.
Zilla Panchayat
There is a private party. My lord, sorry, fourth and fifth petition is a private property. My lord, that is a company. They have already a road. They found illegally.
Go to civil court. If
May I submit, my lord? The prayer may in the writ petition can you look into? Prayer in the writ petition is sought for permanent injunction. And Annexure L is passed without making the person who has issued that as a party. Prayer at page 19, directing the respondents, their servants and agents not to obstruct the use of road described in schedule to this petition by person so and so. They sought for a permanent injunction in the writ petition. And then Annexure L communication, they question without making the person who has issued as a party. Writ petition, permanent injunction, they illegally formed the road and seeking the permanent injunction writ petition and challenging Annexure L1 communication of that person. That was, well, he not making that person as a party. Then communication was Whereas the government in the statement of objections 117, they said they did not obtain the permission of the government. Page 117 of the statement of objections of the government. Para 7. Para 7, page 17. Since the petitioners failed to get a permission from the Zilla Panchayat and other agency, and also from the government, they are not entitled to relief. Page number 84.
Sorry,
I mean,
not, we are not inclined.
I'll make only one.
No.
Page number 84, my lord. Permission granted for construction road after obtaining consent letter so and so. Condition 8 is, of the respondent of so and so obtain necessary permission from the construction road.
We have seen again and again.
Even for the government.
We have seen your facts again and again. We have read the order again and again.
No, illegal they found the road on
We
the
applied
government.
by our mind twice, thrice, third time, fourth time. Whenever you say take up, take up, take up. We are not inclined, sorry. Dismiss.
28, 29 are urgent. Number 30. Sir, Mr. T. Sheshagiri Rao.
The delay is because of the fact that there was a review which was preferred.
28.
Non-grant of review, my lords, we are challenging the original writ order there.
Oh my God. Yes, NGOBL CAD General.
Delay is occasioned, my lords, because of the fact that subsequent.
Delay is their notice written.
In the meanwhile, since it's only statutory authorities, I may
6th
be,
August, yes.
may I be not permitted to serve the respective councils because they're all statutory organizations. Only one, my lords, Mr. Harish for BMRCF. Mr. Chandrasekhar is served for KADB. Then the government is there, I think, my lords, I think if your lordships could just fix up a date, my lords, it's a very small point.
Now henceforth we will dismiss the petitions appeals if you make your colleague to stand while you argue.
Oh my.
Oh.
Lords, I'm so grateful.
That practice. we are
I'm
not-
so grateful for that. I'm so grateful for
practice in
that. They
this
must
High
be
Court is
seated,
to
in fact.
Nobody will stand. Madam, sit down.
Please be seated.
Yes.
Lords,
Yeah,
we are
so-
so grateful
what
for
do
the
you
courtesy.
Notice.
Lords, I'm really grateful for the courtesy once
Copy,
again.
learned
My lord,
every
I take notice for respondent number 1.
one, child. Next.
Just that, my lords, they expect a bit of an exposure when they stand up, just to face something.
Yes, next.
Number 31. The government appeal.
My lord, I appear for the appellant, my lord. There is a delay of 574 days in filing the petition.
74
lord.
days. Notice. Notice 15th August, 15th July.
Number 32.
Notice
HL
has to
Pradeep
go on, my
Kumar.
lord. There is a lot delay, my lord. Notice has to go on.
Delay. 32. How many days? 573 days.
Please.
Notice.
Lord,
16th
52,
August.
52, my lord, similar, my lord.
16th July. sorry.
Lord, CL number 52 also, my lord, similar to, my lord, this case. It may be tagged along with, my lord, the WM, my lord.
क्या करना है? What is to be done?
Lord, this
To be tagged with.
writ
to be
appeal was
tagged
allowed,
with-
my lord, following, my lord,
Listed with writ appeal number
1150,
1150 2020.
serial number 52 also, my lord, same.
52,
52,
same, 52, same order, same notice to be listed with
obligement.
1150.
Number 33.
Preparing
Srinivas
appellant,
K.
kindly have it on next week, my lord. Preparing appellant, kindly have it on next week, my lord.
Pardon? Speaking time
Yes, my lord.
only, granted, 6 weeks,
6 weeks.
after 6.
Number 34.
Much obliged, my lord.
The Irfan Nazir. 34,
Nobody is there. 6 weeks.
Number 35, 36 are urgent. Number 37, Mr. Nayak VS. Mr. Nayak VS. Number 38, PC Prabhakar.
Lord, this is a case where the learned single judge has directed me to promote the respondent who retired about 12 years ago, my lord, from 2007 and pay the difference, my lord. My lord, admittedly, facts are not in dispute. He retired in the year 2012. When he was in service, my lord, he appeared for test and interview along with the internal candidates. He was found unsuccessful.
Notice written.
Much of that.
23rd July.
Urgent, number 40. 40, Mr. S. Sudarshan.
My lord, this is against an interim order. My lord, that is for exams that were supposed to be held on 4th December 2023.
So what is to be done?
My lord, it is against an interim order, my lord. Must have spent itself because the students have been permitted to appear for the exams
But who
scheduled
appears?
from. My lord gets it
Mr.
at page
Sudarshan.
25.
26th of June. 26th June.
Number 41, Mr. Rajeshwar PN.
The petitioner has challenged the order of dismissal, my lords, before the learned single judge. The
Order
order
of?
of dismissal from the services of the respondent.
Appeal is admitted.
Please, the
So we-
order of dismissal is
To be listed for final hearing the last week of August.
Well-
Last week of August. Appeal is admitted. We'll admit the appeal and put up for final
Please,
hearing.
please.
Yes. Delay.
There is a delay, my lords.
Delay hai, then
The
notice.
notice has to go.
Then notice written. Notice written. 15th of July.
Notice.
15th July notice.
Wait.
Number 42, Mr. V. Ramesh.
52. Lords, the preliminary notification and the
Delay
section.
130 days. Notice. Written on 24th July.
Lords, I may be permitted to take out hand summons on Nitin Prasad, my lords.
And summons.
To respondent number
And summons is permitted. 2, respond number
3 and 4.
3 and 4.
For one, my lords, for 2, my learned friend is appearing.
2 and 3 will happen. The rest, full stop. The rest of the respondents will be served by normal mode of service, except that respondent 2 is represented by
2 and 3, my lords.
2 and 3 by so and so, who accept the notice.
My lord, I take notice for respondent number 1.
Number 1.
On an additional advocate, additional government advocate. Ms. Akbar, waves notice on behalf of 3.
Much of it. Lords, a date may fix. It's a covered matter, my lords, where? Much of it.
43 urgent. Number 44, Mr. Nagendra Naikar. Number 44, Mr. Nagendra Naikar.
6 weeks.
Number 45, the government appeal.
My lord, I appear for the appellants. My lord, here the constitutional validity of the Karnataka private aided educational institution, the Employees Regulation of Pay, Pension and Other Benefits Act is challenged, my lord, by way of Act 7 of 2014. My lord, this writ appeal may be connected along with WA 2476 of 2015, my lord.
Lord, may I make submission? Government has misconstrued this case as that I have questioned the legal validity of the act. It is not the case. They have completely misunderstood this case is the one which is challenged. But this is only a simple case of
When do you want?
completely wrong writ appeal has been filed.
6th August.
Obliged, my lord.
May I see? Lord, in this connected matter, contempt 956 of 2023 filed, when the matter was listed before this court, my lord, government requested that writ appeal number 9123 may be tagged along with the contempt. There was an order, my lord, in that case. Therefore, it may be called along with the contempt 956 of 23. There is already an order in that case, but registrar has listed this matter without contempt.
Then what appeal is
Next.
that?
Number 46. Mr. Mahesh A.S. Mr. Mahesh A.S. Forty-six.
6 weeks.
Number 47. Mr. Ajay J.N.
My lords, I appear for the appellant, my lords. There's a delay of 74 days, my lords. Matter, my lords, where
Notice written on 7th August.
grateful, my lords.
Number 48. Mr. T.P. Mutana.
Notice written on 7th August.
Number 49. Mr. Kumar Renje.
My lord, application was made for selection of dealership, my lord, petrol bunk.
Notice written on 7th August. Notice.
Number 50. Mr. K. Sridhar. Mr. K. Sridhar.
All adjourned. Rest of the word adjourned.
On submission. May I make on submission. 75, serial number 75 and 76. May I withdraw 75 and 76. Contempt petition. After filing contempt petition, they have complied the order of this.
Complied with.
Complied agile. They have complied, my lord.
Which matter? Serial number?
75 and 76, my lord.
75 and 76.
Please, my lord.
Both.
Both.
Separate order or same? Separate order? Common order.
Common order.
Common order. In both the contempt petition. As per the statement made by learned advocate Mr. Francis Sampson, the order under contempt is complied with. Therefore, the petitions does not survive. Memo of withdrawal dated 22/6/24 tendered by learned advocate for the complainant is taken on record. As for the statement and the memo as for the statement made and then in your what is stated in the memo, the contempt petition are disposed of. Has not survived.
Lord, serial number 82, I appear for the respondent. They have not complied for the 9th time. It is preemptory order in December of 2023 for dismissal by Lord. They have not complied for the 9th time this time. They misuse the writ appeal before local authorities. They have driven tractor over my fencing and they are not interested in complying. They are just using this pendency of this proceedings before the local police, my Lord. I pray that it may be dismissed for non-compliance.
So what?
For non-compliance, my Lord, they don't comply.
Dismissed.
It's for 9th time they are not complying, my lord.
You argued with him.
I am appearing for the respondent.
You have argued the matter.
My lord.
Right now you argued or mentioned? What do you want?
My lord, I pray that it may be dismissed for non-compliance.
Dismissed.
9th time.
You want dismiss?
I have matter.
What is? So further 3 weeks granted.
Preemptory order may be passed.
Everything you say no. Whatever I say you know. Yes, ma'am.
My lord, serial number 63, my lords, there is an office objection in my compliance affidavit. So I require permission from the court to comply the office objection, my lords, for the competent authority.
2 weeks, 2 further.
Please, my lords.
2 weeks granted to comply.
Much.